Hey, what's up, OptiNation family? Tonight I will be talking about what all is going to be going on. Hey, what's up? Optimus Prime replica? Well, kind of. I still think he's Optimus Prime. But, yeah. Anywho, so, this weekend, I have some very exciting videos for you guys. I have some very exciting videos planned for you guys. First, I have the Rise of the Beast movie news update. And then I have a figure reveal and review to do. No, it's not the figure that I paid my invoice on. It's a different figure. Didn't get it that fast. Still haven't even received the email for that figure yet. So, but I'll receive it eventually. It's just good to be driving around. Yep. And yeah. In other Transformer news, I did a short about the Hasbro CEO. Don't you dare go. The Hasbro CEO, unfortunately, passing away, which is sad news. Yeah. I wonder who the next CEO is gonna be. Gotta wonder. Yeah, other than that, my subscriber count is at 36 right now. Let this mark the official announcement. Road to 50 subscribers. I want to get, I'm not like demanding or anything, but I want to try to get to 50 subscribers by the end of the year. Hey, if we can get more than 50 subscribers by the end of the year, even better. But like I said, right now I'm at 36 subscribers. And yeah, my channel's doing pretty good. Has lots of views. I think it has like almost 300 views just this past month total. Overall, it has, I believe, around 1,200 views total over the life of my channel. So I've surpassed 1,000 views. Definitely, and it's all thanks to you guys. I really appreciate everyone's support. I know I say that a lot, but I really do, and it's what keeps me motivated and keeps me going with all this awesome content that I produce for you guys. And it's only gonna get a lot better, especially with the special figure that I'm getting hopefully soon. I don't know when it's gonna get shipped. I cannot wait till it gets shipped. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait till it gets shipped. You guys are gonna love it. Some of you guys may have seen this figure, some of you guys may have not. I literally cannot wait to see your guys' reaction, comments. And who knows, it may make my channel explode. I'm only guessing. But yeah, I'm just headed down to Best Buy right now. I'm going to the Best Buy that's near my house. It's not that far away. That guy did not have headlights on. But yeah. Ooh, it's a green light. Can I beat it? Safely, folks. Safely try to beat a light. Don't try to like rush and get in an accident. Ooh, I can. Awesome. Yes. So this right here, guys, I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of a history lesson. Hope I didn't adjust the camera too badly. But anyway, this whole area, these lights right here, this is airport, what they call Airport 2 or South Valley Regional Airport. This is where the Army National Guard base is for Utah. And as you can see, there are, I think that's the runway lights right there. I think that's why it's flashing. But yeah, this is how close I live to a quote unquote army base, if you will. Actually, it is an army base. So it's a public aviation airport where people can fly out of, but it's also a Utah National Guard Army training base, which is why you have to go around this S-curve, because this whole entire fence is the property for the airport. So what a nice night. Clear skies, you can see the moon. Almost a full moon, actually. But yeah. And then I'm not sure what they're building right here. They're building something. I see you, Constructicon. I see you. But no. Post down below in the comments. Does anyone else think that Devastators can combine whenever they see construction vehicles all huddled together? But yeah, so almost to Best Buy. Oh shoot, I hope they're open because I think they close at 7. Oof. But we'll see. But yeah, the temperature right now, I'm not sure what the temperature is. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. I'll check it when I get to Best Buy. I'm almost there. So. Something just fell. Oh, I got it. It was my phone. Looks like they're still open. Oh, they're still open. Nice. I thought they'd be closed. Sorry, guy. I know it probably was the same exact spot that I was at, but what can you do? What can you do? Alrighty, OptiNation fam, I'm here at Best Buy. It's currently 7:04. At least here in Utah it is 7:04. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. All right, till all are one, everyone. Till all are one. Have a great night and have a great weekend. I will see you guys all tomorrow with the videos. Bye now.